All right, part 2 of trying to get color on the screen. So last time I had to move uh, positions. My dogs were hot. We were losing shade, so we had to do that. So I had to cut that one short. This is part 2. We're continuing where we left off. So we was changing the fog of war to implement the the char info, care info. I think chars, but the char info structure in Win32 instead of using just a character. So we changed over fog of war screen and the regular screen buffer over to instead of character pointers to char info pointers. So that's what we're doing at this moment. We have to do this, and when you know a car starts coming down the gravel pathway at the pond where I'm at. It never ends. I will be happy when I get a house or apartment. So let's go here. We'll continue with this. That. So these are structs, and they can carry the color information in them. You can do Unicode or ASCII. I'm doing ASCII right now. Otherwise, you got to have a wide character. And I don't think I did any wide characters on anything, and that would be more work right now, so I'm not going to do it. I just want to see if I can get the color working as fast as possible, which turned out to be not as fast as I wanted, but that's about how it goes on everything you do. That, this, that, 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 that. Yeah, another thing, I got to change this fog of war radius code. This is definitely a violation of dry. Don't repeat yourself. Oh. Whoa. Made a mistake on that one. It should be this one, not that one. The overlay doesn't carry the information like that. It's just pretty much we're just reading it to see if a trap exists somewhere. Okay, so I already did those. All right, let's go to entity. Find screen. Looks like we have quite a bit of it here. Okay, this right here, this is not it. It's not the one we want. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Because we're having problems with this code here. Because it had to be a struct or class or whatever. So now at this position, we're going to set the attributes to color red. Or at least that's the plan. And then at the right, All right, now let's go all the way back. Look for screen code that we're using here. Right here, this needs to be a character. Char info. Put pointer screen. This one too. This right here. This should have been cached. This will be the same thing. There. Oh, I hate how it goes all the way back up. So we went back to the top then, okay. Oh, what we got here? Let's see, so get tile at, so that's this. This is gonna have to be a char info.
So tile here, this is gonna be, that's fine, but we need to do that plus tile. So the address of get FOW screen, the start position of that. Okay. So that'll be that, that'll be that. We're just indexing into it, so that should be fine. Start position FOW plus I. Let's game instant. Get info I. Okay, what is get info? Game instance. Get info. Oh, info, okay. I think that's just the buffer. Yeah, it just returns info. And this should be a char pointer or char info. Screen. Screen. So I'm thinking this should be a new char info array. But I don't think you can do that. I don't think. Well, info shouldn't. It should be character pointer. Well, no, info should probably be that too. Yeah, that too. Info. Where's info at? Start position of info section. Yeah. So info is too, so we've got to change all that too. Oh,
Oh, I didn't even realize I wasn't on camera. All right. Get info, get info. Okay. Screen, screen. Just getting these. See, I don't, well, yeah, see, this isn't going to work because we're using a char info. You can't just write the string like this. This isn't going to work. But we probably can do something else besides sn printf to a buffer. We'll see how it goes. See, get tile at, what does that return? Char info. So we got to change that. Where's it at? Yeah, get tile at. All these get tiles ats. All these. Because once you get that, you have to say character dot ASCII character equals 4. Oh wait, that's, yeah, get tile. Okay, set tile. So let's go to set tile. Set tile right there. Game message. Okay, that one's in there. Is this returning the info character or the character info or just the character? Wait, where was it? In game? Oh, world. Character info. Okay, yeah. um, makes me wonder if that should have just been the ASCII character. Which I should put get character at. We'll have to look at that later. So it gets the tile here. What's it doing with that though? Hmm. Not sure why it did that though. Huh. We're gonna have so many bugs in this. So I don't know if I should be doing that or not. Well, yeah. I mean, am I supposed to be looking at that character? It's not clear here what I'm doing. It was returning the character, I think. Yeah. It was returning the character that was there. So I'm pretty sure we need the character there. Trap overlay fogboard screen. Okay. Yeah. C doesn't equal wall. See, with these it was empty. It wasn't does not equal wall. But everything looked fine, so I don't know if that was a bug or not. Because they're not getting the tile at. Well, this turned into a major rehash or redo, whatever you call it. Good grief. Oh. All right, let's do. Okay. Let's compile, see what we get. There's no way this is going to go without a hitch. Oh, I forgot to put in the windows.h file too. So let's see. Okay, game 92. BP 92. Oh, shoot. Okay, where's that at? Equals, cannot convert from car pointer to character info. Oh, game CPP. 92. 92 here. Oh. I don't know how I missed that one. Oh man, where's it at? Oh, 92. Alright, let's redo it. Alright. 177. Right there, yeah. Shoot. Let me see. Chart info pointer to long pointer to character string. So the second one there. Right console output character. I'm pretty sure it's just right console output instead of right console output character. Ah, I ain't hooked up. Dang it. I hope it saved my tabs. Alright, why is it doing that? Oh. Alright, let's go. Ah, it didn't save my tabs. Where's my history? Uh, 132 info, Java DX. Oh my goodness. Buff screen there. Okay, size of chart info. So he's doing a memset. So I could do memset instead of instead of the sprintf or nsprintf something maybe. Okay, where's he doing this where he's actually writing to the screen though? Because this is writing to the buffer, but I'm pretty sure it's right console output instead. Let me see. Yeah. So it's right console output instead. He's doing these as shorts. Yeah, writes character and color attribute. Okay. So the output, yeah, the buffer size, buffer class, LP rate region. I don't know what that is. Screen buffer. So console is our screen buffer. Okay, that's true. Fog war screen. It's our buffer. Pointer here. Argument 3 from int to coordinate. Oh, okay, he just puts them in here for. I don't know what he's doing here though. Time screen height plus info lines. Record. So screen width. And then instead of this, dimensions of the array measure columns and rows. Okay, columns and rows. Screen width, screen height. Oh man. That. Even 0. When input it specifies the bounding rectangle of the whole console screen buffer to right here. That seems useless. So let's see what JavidX9 did. It's probably some blank thing that we never use again. So mrect window. See that. So this is the console window size. Okay. So it starts here, X, Y, and ends there. Okay. So we'll do that. Copy that. So pretty much it just needs that. So we don't use bytes written anymore. Oh man. Oh. So it's gonna be rect window. So what is that? A rect? Oh man. Oh, here it is here. It's for something else. Okay, just know the type. What's the type of it? Small rect. So a small rect there. I guess we reuse that. That's what it seems like. Small rect, M rect window. I don't like the M. There. This we don't need. Not right there. Anyway. Oh shoot, did I add that to a private variable? Or a private section? Yes. I don't think it needs to be a part of game. This can be a part anywhere, really. I don't need like a getter to get this. But I don't need it there. I actually need it in world, I think. Let me see. No, I do need it in game. All right, game. Oh man, so we got it in game. Where's this at? Probably gonna have to change that. Generic read, generic write, okay. That might not be the right one. There. Let's see. Crap, what was it? Rect window. So we need what, the address of rect window? Yeah. We need to set that. 00 short, screen width. So screen width. Screen width, screen height, okay. I don't know if it needs to be a short. Now, actually, fog of war screen is going to be different, I believe. Well, no, it would have to be the same. It's an overlay. Okay, that, so rect window, I think. And I thought this would be like a 15-minute video. Oh, where is it? Grief. Console output here. Screen buffer. See, he uses S printf, but with wide characters. The address of rect window. pretty sure I'm going to have to include a Windows H on all these. We'll see. Pretty sure. Make the window undeclared identity. Oh, I forgot the M. It's going to take a while. 177. What else? Let's see. Conversion from int to short requires a narrowing conversion. Okay. Do I need it to be short? Oh. 77. Do I need it to be a short? I don't know why we're casting it to short. Maybe Javid X9 was doing that. Okay, we fixed it. 185. Okay, we fixed that one. Into short, yeah, we did that. So I think we got game good. Let's see. And then it's on to the other ones. Nope. Int too short requires an error in conversion. So 177. So I guess the right window ends up having to be a short. Oh. Because short is 16 bits. So it's actually pretty big. A lot bigger than our screen size. Oh. 77. Twice on that line. Okay, let's see if we can get around that. All right, so 177 is good. So 178, same thing on that. Do that. That. 185. Yeah, we did that. 186. 186. Oh. Why would it flag 186 when it's the same as this? I don't think that's right. So it's still doing that. Well, what's a narrowing conversion? Why is that such a big deal? Why do I have that as -1 anyway? Oh, that's the rect window. Let me see this. On the screen output, you also have to do screen width and screen height is short. That's what it's talking about, these here. But on the rect window, I guess we don't have to. I guess. So when we go to rect window, come on. God dang it. Find that. Yeah. Short here at -1. Hmm. I wonder if his screen width, screen height. Well, if it was already a short, wouldn't need the cast. Well, we got past game that time. So now we're at fog of war, 147. 147, we're on Guitar at. And that does return a chart info, so I think we just need parentheses on that one. There. Tell that there. But it only flagged it at 147. Type is char. So 147 is still it. Well, get tile add is returning. Did I change it in the header? No. See? Char info. Okay, we're on to entity. Good grief. Oh. Probably forgot to get the character out. 68. Does not equal getting a wall. Damn. Left 10 operand type char info or no, 68, where's that at? So world instance, it's getting the character info and then it's grabbing the char ASCII character. Char info dot car dot ASCII car, which is a character. Well, do I have to cast it? Now, what is game.trap here? It's a char. So I wonder if I change these to Do the 132 type. Oh, God dang it. Where's it at now? So if I change it to wall food, these are all chars. Pretty fast takes a left upper. Well, it shouldn't be comparing chart info though. That's the problem that's going on here. If I do that, now it should get the ASCII character. 68. No. I wonder why it's doing that. So now I have a chart info. Okay, so that got it past it. Now 144. I don't get that, because why is this one working then? Because this should be using tile info too. Oh man. Guess that'd be a part 3 of this. So 144 is doing the same thing, but it didn't do it here. Oh. That doesn't make sense to me. Huh. Unless it's the binary and in there. I'll bet you that's what it is. It's the binary and, I guess. But it needs to be consistent. So 145. We just did 145. Oh my gosh. So the other one was up here. This one here. So how's that different than this? Oh, oops. Oh my gosh, man. I saw you, boo boo. Hold on, don't get all excited yet. Crap, man. We have to make a part 3. 217. Good grief, man. Be that. Get everybody's coming around the pond now. Oh. Yeah. I really wasn't looking at that. Might have been someone I knew. Is that outside the F? Yes. We can change that one too. Tile info. Man, I thought this would be like 15 minutes. Oh, hold on, guys. Oh, got past entity. We're on the world. Okay, I'm gonna call this at this point. Hey, if you like this kind of stuff, share, like, subscribe, and remember, if you want to donate an old laptop to me, my email is kirk.burleson at yahoo.com. It's in the info section. I would appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one.